Did you know the largest land vehicle weighs a staggering 13,500 tons, equivalent to an entire naval fleet, and can swallow a whole mountain in just a few days of work? Welcome to the world of true mechanical titans, where trucks as big as three-story buildings and excavators that can easily snatch up a whole bus are just no big deal. Let's count down to see how terrifyingly far the limits of human engineering have reached. If you are into truly giant machines, hit that subscribe button right from the start, because as we get closer to the end of this list, their sizes will go way beyond your imagination. Opening at number 10 is a machine born for the most brutal open-pit megamines, the Terex RH400, a massive hydraulic excavator weighing in at a staggering 980 tons. The moneymaker of this model is its ability to scoop up 50 cubic meters of rock and dirt in a single mic, powered by a roaring twin-engine setup, delivering over 4,500 horsepower. It may not look overly flashy, but what makes it terrifying lies in its ultra-high-pressure hydraulic system that tears through hard ore seams like paper, allowing it to fill a 400-ton mining dump truck in just 3 to 4 passes. Looking on screen like a mobile steel fortress, the Thrash RH400 is the ultimate definition of combining tyrant-like speed with the terrain-crushing power of modern mining machinery. Moving to number 9, we meet the monster of earth-moving art, the Komatsu D575A Super Dozer, the largest bulldozer ever produced in human history. Carrying a 1,150 horsepower engine heart and weighing up to 152 tons, this machine was born to push away massive volumes of earth and rock in North American surface coal mines. Its terrifying power lies in its oversized dozer blade, capable of sweeping away 69 cubic meters of material per pass, equivalent to the combined workload of 3 heavy-duty dozers. Appearing on screen with a sullen, rugged look, the D575A is not just a regular crawler tractor. It is the immortal symbol of tyrannical traction, ready to crush any obstacle in its path across the most expansive mining sites. Top 8 honors an unbeaten Guinness World Record holder, the letourneau L2350, the world's largest front-end wheel loader featuring a massive rubber tire design. What makes it terrifying lies in its 40 cubic meter bucket, capable of lifting 72 tons of earth and rock as high as a 2-story building in the blink of an eye. Boasting a colossal 2,300 horsepower engine combined with an independent electric drive system for each wheel, this machine is born for absolute mobility on surface mining sites. Looking on screen like a muscular heavyweight wrestler, the moneymaker of the L2350 is its giant 4-meter-tall tires wrapped in steel chain links to resist the cutting edge of boulders, crowning it the king of speed among behemoth machines. Entering the top 7, we call upon the Liebherr R9800, an ultra-massive hydraulic excavator weighing up to 800 tons, a machine born for overburden removal with a destructive work frequency. The moneymaker of this model is its optimized aerodynamic design and 42 cubic meter face shovel, allowing it to bite through the hardest ore seams with unimaginable breakout force. It may not look overly flashy, but the R9800 boasts extreme precision, operating smoothly thanks to twin V16 engines delivering over 4,000 horsepower. Looking on screen like a pristine, elegant white rock guillotine amidst a dusty mine, it is the perfect combination of sharp German engineering and relentless day and night plowing endurance. Taking over the number 6 spot is the legend of industrial transport, the Caterpillar 797F, a heavy-duty mechanical dump truck that stands as the immortal symbol of American muscle. What makes it terrifying lies in its ability to carry a payload of up to 400 tons on its back, operating smoothly thanks to a massive 20-cylinder diesel engine producing 4,000 horsepower. Looking on screen like a marching steel fortress, the moneymaker of the 797F is its use of a mechanical drive system rather than electric like its rivals, delivering incredibly sullen, enduring traction on slippery mine ramps. It is a machine born for the harshest roads, where all vibrations are neutralized by a colossal hydraulic strut suspension system. If you are still finding it hard to choose which machine is the absolute best by this point, drop your top picks ranking number in the comments right now, because from the top 5 onwards we are entering the realm of absolute mechanical monsters. Officially entering the top 5, welcome the tyrant of the stripping industry, the Komatsu P&H 4100 XPC, a colossal electric rope shovel with an operating weight of up to 500 tons. The moneymaker of this model is its mechanism using ultra-high-strength braided steel hoist cables instead of hydraulic cylinders, allowing its 67 cubic meter dipper to bite deep into the mountain and tear out 115 tons of ore in a single, smooth cycle. Looking on screen with a classic yet mind-blowing feel, what makes it terrifying lies in the sheer power of its AC electric motors, generating unstoppable cutting force while maintaining incredibly low operating costs. The P&H 4100 XPC is a machine born for eternal endurance, standing tall like a never-sleeping steel watchtower at billion-dollar megamines. At the top 4 spot, bow down to an absolute legend of the past, the Marion 6360, nicknamed the Captain, the largest stripping shovel ever built in the world. Weighing a crazy 15,000 tons, this American monster once dominated coal mines with its 138 cubic meter bucket, swallowing 300 tons of earth in a single bite. Looking on screen like a grounded space station, what makes it terrifying is its height, equivalent to a 20-story building, moving on 8 giant crawler sets that shook the very earth. Entering the top 3 with the bronze medal, astonishment gives way to terror before the big muskie, the largest walking dragline excavator in human history. This monster of all eras weighed up to 12,000 tons and consumed enough electricity to power a city of 100,000 people. The moneymaker of this machine, born to cleave mountains and fill valleys, is its 170 cubic meter drag bucket weighing 210 tons, easily scraping up earth and rock equivalent to the size of a baseball diamond with every cast. Looking on screen like a giant spider with a 94-meter boom, what makes it terrifying is that it didn't use crawl but walked on 2 massive hydraulic shoes, creating earth-shaking footsteps. Crossing the finish line as the runner-up is the monster from Belarus, the Belaz 75710, the ultra-mining dump truck boasting the highest payload capacity currently in the world. This machine, born for the task of moving mountains, can carry 450 tons on its back and even set a freg of hauling 503 tons of ore during testing. Its moneymaker lies in its 2-axle design with 8 massive dual tires, paired with a heart of twin 16-cylinder diesel engines producing a combined 4,600 horsepower, looking on screen like a giant rolling steel Rubik's Cube. What makes it terrifying is its nimble maneuverability thanks to its 4-wheel steering system, crowning it the uncrowned king of the planet's harshest haul roads. And finally, the absolute crown belongs to none other than the Bagger 288, the world's largest bucket wheel excavator, a mechanical marvel that eclipses any machine ever built by humanity. Weighing 13,500 tons and stretching 220 meters long, this monster of German industry features a colossal bucket wheel armed with 18 eternal biting buckets. looking on screen like a destructive alien spacecraft. Its moneymaker is its ability to strip 250,000 cubic meters of mud per day, equivalent to leveling 30 meters deep. Slow, ruthless, and unstoppable. The Bagger 288 is a machine born to rewrite topographical maps, standing as the most eloquent testament to mankind's unparalleled power over primal nature. Out of the 10 models featured today, which one impressed you the most? And do you want the next video to be about top drilling rigs, bulldozers, mining dump trucks, or giant bucket wheel excavators? Comment the topic you want to see next, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on videos about the strongest, largest, and most modern machines in the world.